Welcome back to another episode of MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Today we talk about Maintenance Management Guide for Manufacturing, SMEs. What is maintenance management? Simply put, maintenance management is the regular upkeep of your equipment to avoid costly failures. It means scheduling maintenance tasks at the right intervals, tracking repair history and patterns to support preventive action, and allocating resources effectively. And let's be honest, nobody really gets excited about maintenance until something important breaks down. When your production line stops, everything stops. Orders get delayed, workers stand idle, and costs start to pile up. That's why smart manufacturers don't just react to problems. They plan and automate maintenance schedules as part of their overall strategy. Predictive and preventive maintenance helps improve asset performance, extend equipment life, and keep operations running smoothly. Why maintenance management matters. Every time a machine breaks down unexpectedly, money walks out the door. Yes, there are the obvious costs, parts, labor, maybe even outside repair services. But the hidden costs often hurt even more. Workers waiting around, rush shipping to get replacement parts, or worse, losing a customer because you missed a deadline. Regular maintenance avoids these scenarios. Equipment that's well maintained lasts longer, performs better, and doesn't force you into premature replacements. That means more capital available for growth instead of emergency repairs. Reactive versus preventive maintenance. Some companies still run with the motto, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. It sounds thrifty in a budget meeting, but when a critical machine fails right before a big order, the real costs become clear. Emergency repair bills, overtime hours, broken schedules, and damaged equipment can quickly spiral. Reactive run-to-failure maintenance never pays off. In fact, it usually hurts profitability. Smart manufacturers do the opposite. They check equipment regularly, replace worn parts before they fail, and schedule service during planned downtime. This approach requires more organization and sometimes higher upfront costs, but the payoff is real. Less downtime, longer uptime, smoother workflows, better quality, and fewer safety incidents. The numbers prove it. Companies that move from reactive to preventive maintenance often cut overall costs by 15 to 20%. Equipment availability can increase by 30% or more. Determining optimal maintenance intervals. So how often should you maintain your equipment? It depends. Start with the equipment manual. Original equipment manufacturer guidelines are your baseline. Then adjust based on your own conditions, operating environment. Heat, dust, humidity, and vibration speed up wear. Usage patterns. Machines running 24/7 need different care than those used occasionally. Criticality. Bottleneck equipment may need more frequent checks. Failure history. Past breakdowns reveal weak points. Material type. Some materials are more abrasive or demanding on machines, requiring tighter intervals. The best approach combines time-based and usage-based triggers. For example, change hydraulic fluid every 6 months or every 2,000 operating hours, whichever comes first. Keep records. After 6 to 12 months of data, patterns emerge. If parts fail before scheduled service, shorten the cycle. If inspections consistently show components in good condition, you might safely extend it. Consistency is key. The best maintenance schedule is the one your team actually follows. Building a maintenance management system. Start simple. Perfect doesn't happen on day one. Focus on creating a system your team actually uses. First, build an equipment inventory. Record make, model, serial number, purchase date, expected service life, location, spare parts, and any history you have. Next, standardize procedures for common tasks. Include written instructions and even photos of key components to help new technicians avoid mistakes. Then establish a basic work order system. Track who requested the work, what was done, by whom, and how long it took. This creates accountability and valuable data for future planning. Train operators to perform simple preventive checks, lubrication, safety inspections, and reporting small issues. They work with the equipment daily and can often spot problems early. Finally, review your maintenance program regularly. What's working? What's not? Which machines keep causing trouble? Use those insights to refine your approach. And remember, leadership must set the tone. Maintenance must be treated as a core value, not something pushed aside when production pressure rises. Streamlining maintenance with modern software. Here's the challenge. Small manufacturers often find traditional maintenance software too expensive, while spreadsheets don't provide enough structure. That's where cloud-based manufacturing software comes in. Some manufacturing ERP systems now include simple but effective maintenance tools. With the right system, you can track maintenance based on calendar time, operating hours, or units produced. See counters showing time until the next service. Schedule downtime within your production calendar. Record maintenance history for compliance. Get alerts and notifications when service is due. Store task instructions for easy technician reference. The real advantage is integration. Maintenance is no longer siloed. It becomes part of production planning. When maintenance is visible alongside schedules, it's easier to avoid bottlenecks, minimize downtime, and make better financial decisions. Even basic features, like preventive alerts tied to machine runtime, help extend equipment life and prevent catastrophic breakdowns. For small manufacturers, this is a cost-effective first step towards systematic preventive maintenance. Key takeaways. Moving from reactive to preventive maintenance reduces downtime, cuts costs, and extends equipment life. The hidden costs of unplanned breakdowns, idle labor, missed deadlines, rush shipping, can be far greater than the repair itself. Optimal maintenance schedules depend on environment, usage, material type, and failure history. Start simple. Equipment inventory, clear task procedures, and a basic work order system. Train operators to perform daily checks. Early detection is invaluable. Cloud-based manufacturing ERP systems offer practical, affordable tools to streamline maintenance for small manufacturers. That wraps up this episode of the MRP Easy Manufacturing Podcast. Thanks for tuning in. For more information about us, visit mrpeasy.com. See you next time.